Damage to the lipid barrier of skin is usually by aging, pollution, UV rays and smoking, etc., which may give you fine lines, wrinkles or dark spots. Hyaluronic acid repair and restore that lipid barrier by protecting it from dryness, sensitivity or dehydration. And this gradually fades out the appearance of wrinkles or dark spots. Like glycerin and niacinamide, it also prevents the skin from moisture loss, being humectant. Your skin may get firm and elastic, and its texture can be improved by using this serum, hence it wouldn't look like loosey or baggy anymore. For reducing puffiness and dark circle around the eyes, hyaluronic acid can be a good choice to go for. It acts as a natural detoxifier and thus remove the toxins and waste products from skin, which are likely to involve in multiple infections. When applied on epidermis, hyaluronic acid lets the skin cells to absorb the good amount of moisture, and this provides long-lasting hydration to the skin. Using hyaluronic acid is just like we use glycerin or salicylic acid. You have to wash your face to make sure that it's free of waste and impurities now. After your skin gets dry again, you can apply a few drops of hyaluronic acid and give it few minutes to absorb fully into your skin. When you feel your skin gets dried and the acid is absorbed well, then go for gentle washing once again. So that's how you can use it safely and obtain the results after some time.